Yesterday you looked at mean, median, and mode, and that was probably pretty painless and a quick review. Today we're going to still look at mean, median, and mode, but I just want to refresh your memories on how to read line plots, frequency tables, and stem and leaf plots. I'm not sure if you remember that or not, so this is just a video to real quickly refresh your memory on that. Okay, if we start with a line plot, it's just another way of looking at data. And so what this really means is this x, if x represents 1, then that means we have 125. We would have 3 26s, so I would do 26 3 times. No 27s, no 28s. I would write down 29 one time. And then 30 would be twice. And then I would have only 1 31, and then 3 32s. So now you've got your list of numbers just like you did yesterday. So to find the mean, that's like the average. So we would add all these up, and we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. Let me make sure that's all I've got over here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Good. So that way I know I didn't forget any numbers. So we would add all these up and divide by 11 for the mean. Now I'm not going to take the time to do that because that should be pretty easy. The mode, you could look here for the mode, or you could look here. It's easy to see you've got 3 26s and 3 32s. Or you could look here just like you did yesterday. So the mode would be 26 and 32. Okay? And then if you did the median, we would do top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom. Remember, it's the number that's in the middle. I just keep doing top, bottom. So then you would have a median of 30. Okay? So let's look at a frequency table real quickly. Now this frequency table is going to be a lot of numbers to write. This means that, or some people call it a tally table, either way you think about it. This means size 6. Let's say this was shoe size. So if we looked at 7th grade, there would be 13 people that had a size 6 shoe. So we would write down the number 6 13 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What am I doing writing too many? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That should be my last one. So this needs to be a 7. So 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. How many of those am I supposed to have? I'm supposed to have 7 sevens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm going to run out of space, so I'm going to come up here to the top and do 7. So now I've got to have 7. The number 8 occurs 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's kind of weird to have 7 8s and 8s and all that kind of stuff because they're kind of running together. But anyway, and the number 9 occurs 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So if we were going to do the mean, we would add all of these up and divide by, I believe there's 13 and 7 would make 20, and then that would make 10. So there should be 30 numbers. I could double check just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 6, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, so I didn't forget any of them because I had so many. So I got 30 numbers. So I would add up all of these and divide by 30. That would give me my mean. The mode is easy to spot. That's going to be 6 because it says the number 6 happened 13 times. Okay. Now, so then to find the median, it would be like top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom. But since there's so many, I would go ahead and take like maybe 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then let's take 12 off the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So then we've got top, bottom, top, bottom. And remember, when we have 2, that means that we add and divide by 2. And we do that, we get 7 for the median. Okay, so one more is a stem and leaf plot. Okay, and the stem and leaf plot means that this is your first number and then this is your second number. So this is like your 10s and your 1s. So this would be a 20, and then another 20, and then another 20. So you got 3 20s, and then it would be 22, 23, 25, 27. So 22, 23, 25, and 27. 31, 32, and then the number 40. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I got them all. So remember, mean, add them up and divide by 10 because there's 10 numbers. The mode is the number that occurs the most. That's going to be your 20. And then top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom. We've got 2 numbers. So that means we add and divide by 2, and we add and divide by 2, and we get 24. So that would be your median. So if you have any trouble reading the stem and leaf and the line plots and the frequency tables, let me know and we can do a Google Meet. Y'all have a good day.